Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Few treats are as satisfying as biting into a warm, flaky hopia. This Filipino-Chinese pastry has won hearts for generations with its crisp layers and sweet or savory fillings. Whether you know it from childhood snacking or are discovering it for the first time, there's always something new to love about this humble yet irresistible delight. Let's explore how hopia became a staple in Filipino bakeries, the stories behind its most popular flavors, and where to find the best versions today. From classic mung bean to modern twists like Ube, each bite tells a story of tradition and innovation. The origins and cultural significance of hopia. Hopia isn't just a pastry, it's a bite-sized piece of history. Born from centuries of cultural exchange, this flaky treat bridges Chinese and Filipino traditions while carving out its own identity. Whether enjoyed as an afternoon snack or shared during celebrations, hopia carries stories in every layer. A brief history of hopia. The story of hopia starts with Chinese mooncakes, those rich, dense pastries eaten during the Mid-Autumn Festival. When Chinese immigrants settled in the Philippines, they brought their recipes with them. But local tastes and ingredients shaped something new. From mooncake to hopia. Bakers adjusted the heavier mooncake dough into a lighter, flakier crust. Filling innovations. Instead of lotus paste, they used mung bean, ube, or even pork, ingredients already loved in Filipino kitchens. The name game. Hopia comes from the Hokkien phrase Hopia to the power of n, meaning good cake. Fitting, isn't it? By the early 20th century, hopia had become a bakery staple, with brands like Bitin and Poland turning it into a household name. Hopia in Filipino celebrations. Walk into a Filipino home during a celebration, and you'll likely find hopia on the table. It's more than just dessert, it's a symbol of sharing and tradition. Festivals. During Lunar New Year or town fiestas, hopia is often given as a gift or shared among neighbors. Family gatherings. Its portable size makes it perfect for pasalubong, souvenirs, from trips or as a sweet treat at reunions. Religious events. Some families include hopia in offerings during All Saints' Day, blending Chinese and Catholic customs. No matter the occasion, hopia has a way of bringing people together, one flaky bite at a time. Varieties of hopia. From the streets of Manila to specialty bakeries worldwide, hopia comes in countless forms. Whether you crave sweet or savory, traditional or modern, there's a version to match every craving. Let's break down the classics and the creative twists that keep this pastry exciting. Classic hopia varieties. Some flavors never go out of style. These are the hopia staples you'll find in nearly every Filipino bakery, each with its own loyal fanbase. Hopia Baboy, pork-filled. A savory favorite, filled with seasoned ground pork and sometimes diced onions. The flaky crust contrasts perfectly with the rich, slightly salty filling. Hopia Monggo, mung bean. The most iconic sweet version. Smooth, slightly earthy mung bean paste melts in your mouth, balanced by the crisp, buttery layers. Hopia Ube, purple yam. A vibrant purple filling made from creamy, sweet ube. Its faint vanilla-like aroma makes it a standout. Each of these classics carries subtle differences in texture and sweetness, depending on the bakery. Some prefer theirs dense and crumbly, while others make them light as air. Regional and modern twists. Beyond the classics, bakers across the Philippines, and beyond, have put their own spin on hopia. Some stick to local ingredients, while others experiment with bold new flavors. Biko hopia. A blend of hopia and biko, sticky rice cake, often found in Pampanga, with a chewy, caramel-like filling. Cheese hopia. A modern hit. Sharp cheddar or creamy kesong puti, white cheese, adds a tangy surprise inside the flaky shell. Chocolate hopia. For those with a sweet tooth. Think rich, fudgy fillings, sometimes mixed with crushed peanuts for crunch. Regional versions also shine. In Ilocos, you might find hopia stuffed with pinakbet flavors, while Cebu's versions often lean extra buttery. Meanwhile, vegan hopia, made with coconut oil or plant-based fillings, keeps gaining traction. No matter the type, one thing's certain. Hopia's versatility keeps it fresh, decade after decade. What's your go-to flavor? The art of making hopia. There's a reason hopia stays crispy yet tender, rich yet light. The magic lies in how it's made. Behind every perfect bite is a careful balance of technique and tradition. Let's break down how this flaky pastry comes together, from dough to filling. Ingredients and preparation. Great hopia starts with two key components: the dough and the filling. Neither is complicated, but both require attention to detail. Essential ingredients. For the dough: all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, water, and lard, or butter for a richer taste. Some recipes use a mix of lard and vegetable oil for extra flakiness. For the filling: mung beans, for hopia mongo, ube hilea, for ube hopia, or seasoned ground pork, for hopia baboy, plus sugar and sometimes butter or coconut milk for sweetness and texture. Making the dough: combine flour, sugar, and salt in a bowl. Cut in cold lard or butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add water until the dough comes together, but avoid overmixing. It should stay slightly shaggy. Let it rest for 30 minutes to relax the gluten, making it easier to roll. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll take a closer look at different hopia variations and how you can enjoy them. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.